Well, customers are obviously looking to reduce or eliminate their power bills and obviously trying to get into it as the cheapest possible way that they can do it, like anybody would. We highly suggest looking at all the variable products in the market and picking one of highest quality that will ensure that you're going to get a long-term generation out of the system so that you don't fall short in 3 to 5 years and have issues and all your return on investment calculations are basically blown out the water because it doesn't work anymore. You know, we've seen a lot of cheap and nasty panels come into the market and everybody's got a friend who's got that story of, oh, my solars don't work anymore, my panels don't operate, my inverters had to be replaced. It should be just done from the start. You spend a bit of extra money and get it done properly and you'll be good for a number of years. You know, being electricians for 20 years and doing PV installations for 10 years now, we have a vast array of knowledge of how they should be set up and the components to utilise in these systems. So we give you our advice and we design systems to last a long term. Yeah, you just want to get it done properly, done once. So we've gone through and selected and vetted all the companies of panel manufacturers and inverter manufacturers and picked the best ones that we can find in the market, that we can build relationships with and develop partnerships so that we can offer our customers the high-end solutions that are known to generate good amounts of energy and last for a long time. Typically, installing a solar panel system, we would expect a 50 to 70% reduction in your energy bills. You're not really going to achieve a zero energy bill out of just installing the solar. You need to install the battery because you're going to use energy in the evening. So you need to recoup that energy during the daytime, store it in the battery, and then use that energy off the battery in the evening for your property.